Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Holton of MindWaveStudios.com and BrightSmile.io. This is a tutorial on how to upload to Instagram from your desktop. I'm on my Instagram. This is my friend Christian Juru from Nashville, Tennessee, and he's an awesome filmmaker, visual effects artist. Did an awesome composition here. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to upload to Instagram from the desktop. I learned this from my teacher, Justin Giddings. He's the Kickstarter guy, and he teaches us how to crowdfund for movies and products. So if you want to learn how to crowdfund for your projects, definitely check out Justin Giddings, the Kickstarter guy. I'll put a link in the description, okay? So here's how you do it. So you go on your Instagram, then you right click on your mouse. So right click and you see the inspect. You click inspect, okay? Hopefully this is recording my audio. So you click it, inspect. It's just loading now. Okay, so in expect, what you can do is you go to here. It's I believe it's toggle device toolbar. So click on the toggle device toolbar. And you can see there's responsive. So that it's responsive means if you're on your computer, this is what it looks like on the computer. If you look at, say, one of the phones, let's say Galaxy S5, for example, this is what it looks like on the phone. Okay, so it looks just like on the phone. And what you do is you refresh the page, refresh, and so you can get the upload. You'll get the upload button. See now the upload button is here. Okay, so now we can click upload. Click upload. Click on the upload button. Just loading now. This is all thanks to Justin Giddings. So big shout out to you, Justin. Thank you. Um, okay, add Instagram to your home screen. Let's just cancel. Okay, it's just loading. We want to upload. Okay, so it's going to open your file manager, either on your Mac or PC. So let's see if I have a photo. Let's upload a photo example to my Instagram. This is for all social media managers. This will speed up your workflow instead of having to do it on your upload Google Drive and then get it downloaded to your phone and then have to upload from your phone. Okay, so let's upload. Me working on the computer. Okay, open. So you open it, just loading. So that's how you do it. We'll try to finish it here. Okay, so do it like that, and then click next. And also you can add filter on the bottom there if you want. So you can write your caption. Click write a caption. This is me at work at Mindwave Studios. Okay, so I'll tag my business page, business Instagram, doing hashtag motion graphics. Okay, graphics. Okay. Okay, so you share, click share. I haven't tried video, so I think video works as well. Your image has to be JPEG, by the way. Can't be PNG. So add Instagram. So cancel. Okay. So it looks like it uploaded to my Instagram, Jonathan Holton Instagram. So that's how you do it. Hope that helped you. Please subscribe for more. I like to share any new knowledge, and it was thanks to Justin Giddings. Thank you, Justin, and definitely check out his course, Facebook page. He's got free stuff to learn, but definitely I paid for his course, and it's so worth it. It's gold, seriously. And my link is not an affiliate link, so seriously check it out if you want to learn how to actually get success with crowdfunding. It'll be really helpful to you. I hope this helped you as well for social media management. Thanks for watching, guys. High five.